Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, and this time no chapters because I'm going to discuss syllabus class 6 Maths syllabus for second unit test. It was given on 21st January 2021. So this is the second time I'm repeating the syllabus. Fractions, in fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, addition of two or more than two fractions, subtraction of two fractions, multiplication of two or more than two fractions, and division of two fractions. Okay, so this I have cleared you. Chapter 15, decimal fractions. In that also addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimals. Then fundamental concepts of geometry. So this I have told you. Revision I have given. Revision you are supposed, this extra questions, see chapter 14 I have given extra questions depending on this. Decimal fraction I have given extra questions depending on this. Fundamental concepts I want you to study from textbook only because they are really best examples and they are important ones. Okay, so chapter 23, fundamental concepts, from textbook itself you have to study thoroughly, properly. Chapter 24, angles. Angles textbook plus extras I have given. Okay, textbook plus extra questions I have given. Those you have to revise and solve. Okay, chapter 25th, properties of angles and lines. This also extra questions you will get, and those you have to solve. Chapter 32, perimeter and area of plane figures. This also extra questions you will get, which you are supposed to solve. And chapter 34, mean and median. I told you during session only, that means during teaching through videos, I had told you that no extra revision will be there of this chapter, because while making videos I have given you much homework, okay, in connection with this mean and median. So I think there's no need of extras. Only thing is revise x terms questions thoroughly, in which x is involved, like find value of x plus 2, x plus 1. Those are important ones and they will be there in next class also. Okay, all right. So in this, to find mean is important, to find median is important. So mean and median, these two things will come in the exam. Okay, so I hope you have understood 3 plus 3 plus 1. So total 7 chapters are there. Don't go on the quantity because we have chosen the quality from these chapters. It's not that each and everything we have done. The basic part which is necessary for next year is being extracted. Okay, so I hope you understand. Next is paper pattern, maths 6th. Sorry, there will be two sections, section A and section B. Section A will be of 20 marks, which is compulsory. So in section A, question 1, A, B, C. There will be question 1, 3 sub questions will be there. 3 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks, as I have given here. Similarly, question 2, 3 plus 4 means 3 marks and 4 marks. So these two are compulsory. Then move on section B, 20 marks, any two you have to solve. 4 will be the options, ABC, 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 means 3 ABC, 4 ABC, 5 ABC and 6 ABC. So out of these, any two you are supposed to. Suppose if I am best in question number 3 and question number 5, I know that I know these two very well, then I will go for question 3 and question 5. And you know this time your exams will be in the school. Okay, so I hope you will do better. So section A 2, section B 2, any two. So 20 plus 20, 40, 10 marks homework which you are submitting. Few of you are still not awakened, and there are only 4 to 7 students who are submitting daily or within 2 days. Rest all are submitting after gap of 3 to 4 days. I don't understand. You are getting videos daily, but why there is gap of 3 to 4 days? Only because I say do according to your convenience. And one more thing, after 3rd Feb, I will not accept any kind of homework, any kind of completion of notebook work, and any kind of revision work. Remember this thing. 3rd Feb is the last date for submission of any kind of work, maths work, whether it is homework, whether it is revision, whether it is classwork. Alright, so after 3rd Feb, please do not contact for submission of homework. It will not be answered, it will not be accepted, except genuine reason. If some genuine reason is there, now itself you have to contact. Afterwards, I am not going to, then you have to take principal's permission. I am not going to accept it. I am extremely sorry, but that's what. Okay. So section, I told you 20 plus 20, 40 plus 10 marks. Homework last date is 3rd of February. Then, now let's see revision of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. So in that, of 2, I think you know, just cross multiplicate. When you have any fraction with like any 2 fractions addition, what you can do, cross multiply. 1 into 5 plus 1 into 2 upon 2 into 5. So 1 5s are 5 plus 1 2s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 1 5s are 5 plus 1 into 2, 2 5s are 10. 7, 5 plus 2, 7 upon 10. So this is very easy when you do cross multiplication when there are 2 fractions. But when there are 3 fractions, so this can be done, this can be, you can do it for subtraction also. Only in case of plus you will have minus. Okay. So when 3 or 2 or more than, when 2 are there, then also you can go with LCM. When 3 are there, then you have to go with LCM only. So 3 5 2, I have removed LCM and the LCM has come 30. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So this is LCM. Now ask question to you, 3 how many are 30? 3 10s are. So numerator will be multiplied by 10. Okay. 5 6 are 30. 2 15s are 30. So 30 is LCM. So 3 how many are 30? 3 10s are, 5 6 are 30 and 2 15s are 30. Okay. So 4 multiplied by 10 plus 6 multiplied by 6 plus 1 multiplied by 15 upon 30. 4 10s are 40 plus 6 6 are 36 plus 1 15s are 15. 90, add all, 91 upon 30 equals to, now I have converted into mixed fraction also. So 3 1 upon 30. 3 1 upon 30 clockwise. 3 1 upon 30. Alright. Same way you have to do minus also. Only you have to remove this plus minus. Method is all same. Alright. Now if you take what to say, multiplication, nine upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 2 multiplied by 7 upon 16. Okay. So you can, you must have, you might have been knowing before, because you must have watched video before, that this you can only multiply vertically and crosswise. I cannot cancel horizontally. I can cancel vertically, I can cancel crosswise. Means 9 and 3 I can cancel, 9 and 2 this way I can cancel, this way also I can cancel. Similarly, this way I can cancel, this way I can cancel. But I cannot cancel this way and this way. Okay. I hope you understood. For all numerators, I can cancel with any denominators. For any numerator can be cancelled with any denominator in case of multiplication, not in case of addition and subtraction. Okay. So here 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. This is 16. Okay. So 2 1s are, 2 8s are. Any numerator can be cancelled with any denominator. Always remember this. So 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. And 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8. So I can convert it into mixed form also. Okay. The next is division. 9 by 4 divided by 12 upon 15. Okay. So 9 by 4 I have to keep as it is. First fraction will not be changed. Second fraction, division will turn into multiplication, and you have to take reciprocal of 12 by 15. So it will become 15 upon 12. Okay. So now you can understand. I cannot cancel these two, but I can cancel these two. 3 3s are 3 4s are 15 3s are 45 and 4 4s are 16. So I can convert this also in mixed fraction. Okay, so we have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. And one mistake, common mistake, which is done by almost all the batches up to now, which I have seen, is removing LCM for multiplication and division of fractions. So LCM, if needed, is done only for addition and subtraction. LCM is not needed for multiplication and division of fractions. I hope you have understood, and start preparing for your second UT, and please take care. Come, and I would like to see you all on 1st of Feb with fresh mood and with no burden and with happy faces. Okay, so all have to come with extravagant face. I hope you all understand. You have to come with fresh moods in the school. Okay, so thank you so much and take care.